Hey guys, I just decided I was gonna make a quick video on the Foodi, the Ninja Foodi digital air fryer oven. It's the oven that crisps and flips away. So this is the Foodi Ninja digital air fryer oven. It's actually kind of cool. It's an air fryer which saves 75% less fat. It's a convection oven, 60% faster to cook. It's a toaster oven. It does up to 9 slices, and it does up to 4 pounds of food that you can air fry. You can bake a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of bread. What else? All right. Well, let's take a look at it. This is the box that it comes with. I got mine at Costco. It's got infrared heat. It has 6 infrared heating elements, variable airflow, 9 precision control functions. So let's take a look at it. This is it right here. We used to have this Black & Decker, which is interesting. This is how big the tray is. And it's got a little cutout in the back so you could put a slice of pizza so it goes around there, okay? But this one, it comes with a 13 tray. So look how much bigger this tray fits in there. So this one's a little bit wider, but not as deep. So the Ninja Foodi air fryer is a lot bigger. It comes with the dehydrator tray right here. It also comes with this little pan and little grill. So you can, we did some chicken wings today, and that's kind of what inspired me to do the video. So this is the Ninja right here. This base swivels. You can see the base swivels right there, and you just pull it down. You kind of have to hold it so that it doesn't flop. So if you're gonna have your kids do it, you wanna make sure that they hold on to it and not just let it fall down. But that's how you stow it away. You just put it away, so now you have a lot more counter space. Before, with the old Black & Decker, it would stick out a lot and we didn't have a lot of counter space. The minute you opened it, it took up everything. And when it's sitting on the counter, look how nice and pretty that looks, nice and stainless steel. When this one was sitting on the counter, you can kind of see, you know, it's got some old stuff in there. It's a little hard to clean those elements, but you can just see everything. With this one, once you store it away, it's that's why we're getting rid of this one. You know, it's a really nice clean area, and you have a lot more counter space. So let's take a look at the inside. So to open the door, you just pull this little handle right there, and that's the door. You've got 2 height adjustments for the tray. There's a light that you can turn on to see what's inside. Check that out. So you can see what your food is, and look how far back that goes. It's really, really deep. It's a really, really big area, 13 by 13, and everything fits inside. That's the pan with the grill, and this is the little tray so that you can do your dehydration. So those are some really cool features about it, that it has a light so you can see what's cooking and everything else. So you have these heating elements on the bottom, and then you've got there's 3 of them on the bottom, and you have the infrared heating elements on top, and that's where the air comes out for your convection, okay? And the air fryer as well. So it's got convection oven, air fryer capabilities, all that stuff. Inside, in order to clean it, there's this little tray that you can pull out. So you can pull this tray out. If you want, you can put aluminum foil on this and then insert it so that the cleanup is a little bit easier. To get to the bottom, you flip it up and you click this little button right there, and the bottom opens. So that way you can get rid of and clean it really well. So let's close it. Take this little tray out. So they've made it really nice to clean, whereas with this one you can't get to the bottom. Here, all you have to do is take the crumb tray out, open it, and now you have access to cleaning everything on the inside. You can take this grill out and you can clean the infrared. You can kind of put a moist sponge in there and clean everything out. So it's a pretty really well designed. It doesn't feel flimsy. It's pretty heavy. Let's put that back in. So that's that. The controls are really nice as well. So you've got the these are all the different features that you can do: air fry, air roast, air broil, dehydrate, keep warm, reheat, bagel, bake, toast. You have a time slice, and you have temperature, darkness. That's your power button. That's the light again. If you hit the light button, it turns everything on. It's got a really cool little display. It's curved. As you can see, it's a curved display. It's really cool, so you can see it from any angle. You turn this knob to select which function you want. So you start with the air fryer. You can go down to the roast, air broil, dehydrate, keep warm, reheat, bake, bagel, and toast. And you can see how many slices. You can select how dark you want it, how many slices you want. Okay, and then you control those buttons with the temperature and the darkness here. Once you get to the setting that you want, so for the air fryer, you're gonna hit the button and it starts the temperature at 400, and you can increase the time by turning the dial, and when you turn the dial, that'll increase the time, and when you press it, it starts it. So now it'll preheat the oven to 400, and once it starts, that's when the timer starts going down. So it doesn't start the timer until it gets to the preheat part. To turn it off, you just click the power. So once again, if you turn the dial, it turns right on and goes right to air fry. From the air fry, you click the temperature, darkness, and now that's how you control the temperature. It will go up to 450 degrees. Once you have that, you press the dial. Now it'll preheat it, and then you can set your time. You set your time for whatever you want, and you press the button again. Now you're set. So now we're gonna go 23 minutes at 450 degrees. Very easy to use, really user-friendly controls. We made some chicken with it today, and they came out really crispy. Didn't take too long. Super easy. I really like the unit, and you can, again, look at that. You can turn on the light. You can see what everything's doing. It's super quiet, operates really well. Look at that, that already got it warm. Just that little bit of time that we had it on there had already got it warm. So guys, it's a really nice unit, easy to use. And when you're done, just flip it back up. You can reclaim all your space. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you can know when I'm making my next video. All right, guys? Until the next one.